This is my 5th year coming to the noisy city of New York, and I love it. All the sounds. The sound of the subway. The honking horns, the sirens. It's everything around you. It's easy to get lost in it and to eventually not even hear it anymore. And I know for me in my life growing up, I got this way with my parents a lot. That I would hear them say the same things over and over again, and it got really easy to not hear that in my life. And so today we want to take a look at, we want to explore when God is quiet, when God our Father is quiet. Now what's going on there, because we want God to talk to us, we want God to speak, and apparently God is loud, but sometimes we don't hear Him. So Andrew is going to come and he's going to take a look at and talk to us about quiet God and what do we do when God is quiet.